In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact the Deliveroo rider support team efficiently. If you're a Deliveroo rider looking for assistance, knowing exactly how to reach out for support can save you a lot of time and hassle. Let's walk through the process step by step so you'll know exactly what to do when you need help. First, you'll want to open your web browser. Once there, type in the address riders.delivery.co.uk/n. This will take you directly to the Deliveroo Rider portal, a hub where you can access all sorts of tools and resources tailored specifically for the riding community. Upon arriving at the portal, you'll notice a menu option. Go ahead and tap on it. From the list of options that appears, you'll want to select the one labelled Support. This section is designed to help you with any questions or concerns you might have, ensuring you have the resources you need to continue working smoothly. Within the support section, you'll find a category titled Common Questions. This area is super handy for quickly addressing frequent issues. In this section, look for the question, "How do I contact support?" Clicking on this question will guide you further in connecting with a member of the support team. Now, if you're having trouble spotting this option, or if it doesn't quite stand out to you right away, don't worry. You can use the search function within the portal, just type in rider support, and then select "How do I contact rider support?" from the search results. This feature makes it easier to pinpoint the help you're looking for without having to scroll through numerous pages. Once you've accessed the correct section, scroll down until you see the Contact Us button. This is your gateway to initiating a conversation with the team. Once you see it, go ahead and give it a tap. Initiating contact is straightforward, but remember, being prepared can significantly streamline the process. As you begin chatting with the support team, it's important to provide them with several key pieces of information. Start with your order number if your query is related to a specific delivery. Clearly explain what happened and describe in detail any steps you've already taken to try and resolve the issue yourself. These details are crucial. The more information you provide up front, the faster and more effectively the support team can assist you. Having this context makes it easier for the team to understand your situation and come up with a resolution tailored to your needs. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to contacting the Deliveroo rider support team. By following these steps, you not only ensure that you get the help you need, but also make the whole process smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and ride safely.